His middle finger is what? Imagine a lemur with crazy hair and bug-detecting skills straight out of a horror movie. Say hello to the Ai. Ai's use echolocation-like tapping to find bugs inside tree bark, kind of like woodpeckers with a PhD in weirdness. They have a long, bony middle finger that's skinny enough to scoop insects out of tiny holes. Basically a biological bug spoon. In Madagascar, some people believe they bring bad luck, so IAs are sometimes feared or even for being too weird. Is the Ai creepy or cool? Hit like if you're team cool and tag someone who'd use a creepy finger to find snacks.